Hi, my name is Jamshid Faiz. I'm a PGP student at IIM Tiruchirappalli. Today, I am going to talk about the lack of fiscal stimulus in India. COVID 19 had hit the economy very badly all around the world, and it had hit Indian economy also badly. The nation went on lockdown for many months in 2020, like many other countries around the world, and all the economic activity came to a complete standstill. India's economic growth was already slowing down prior to the COVID 19 lockdown, and the effect of the pandemic led the country to a negative economic growth. Many governments around the world announced fiscal stimulus to kickstart or restart the economy. India also announced fiscal stimulus package of nearly rupees 21 lakh crores. But the stimulus was mostly bank bailout and mostly focused on bank credit for business. The stimulus measures did not increase consumption spending of lower income people as the government was not willing to put money in the hands of low income population. Experts said the government's inability to provide direct fiscal stimulus, like many other countries, is due to India's stretched fiscal deficit. The fiscal deficit has already hit a record $88.5 billion over April to June, which is over 83% of the target for the current fiscal financial year. Lower tax collections and front-loaded spending are some of the reasons pushing the fiscal deficit higher. Fiscal deficit measures the incremental amount the government has to borrow in order to finance their budget shortfalls. The concept has gained significance in recent times, with IMF imposing strict restrictions and monitoring of the levels of fiscal deficit that economies can run if they have taken support or are going to request support from IMF. India too started to monitor fiscal deficit after it had to solicit support from the IMF to resolve the balance of payment crisis of 1991. From 1980 to 81 to 2002 to 2003, the period of crisis led to the burgeoning of the deficit to unsustainable levels and prompted the government to introduce and adopt economic reforms to ensure that the deficit stood at more reasonable levels. However, since 2003 to 2004, the government has been more proactive and has undertaken fiscal policy reforms to ensure a steady reduction in fiscal deficit as a percentage of GDP, leading to a more resilient economy. But the current economic situation is unlike any other situation India has faced after independence. We need extraordinary measures in these extraordinary times. The government should be providing additional fiscal stimulus in the coming financial year. The government should initially announce direct fiscal stimulus starting April 2021 to put money in the hands of low income population to improve consumption. Improving consumption is essential to revive the economy. After that, the second quarter starting July 2021, the government should provide additional fiscal stimulus to the worst hit sectors such as tourism and hospitality. By using this fiscal stimulus, we hope that we can return the economy to pre-COVID levels. With that, I'm concluding. Thank you.